Okay, we are here, we are happening. Look at this lip, honey. Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. We are in full force for a sit down video today. I have been in a slump for a week or two. As you may know, which a lot of my last videos and vlogs, we are still in lockdown here in Sydney, Australia. Melbourne is too. There is a lot going on. There is a lot of virus going around, so they want to be safe. I get it, but everybody is climbing the walls crazy. Today I am here with a HERMES haul. This has been sitting here for a while. We're here to unbox it with you guys today. Okie dokie. So how this came about was, well, look, to be honest, I want to say lockdown boredom, but when you browse these sites and you have an idea in mind, it's possibly won't be on the site in a couple of days, you just snatch it up. That's kind of where I went with this. They added in a perfume sample. That's nice. I love it when they do things like that. It's just a nice little touch, you know, like ding. We have our 3 items down in here to unbox together. Okay, this background is so busy, the camera doesn't want to stay in focus. But here we go, the little orange box for our first item. Ta-da! Bustier coin pouch or coin case. So this actually ended up being the color caramel, and I did want it in gold. However, if you have followed my channel, I am not the biggest lover of Epsom. My Kelly is in Epsom. I love the soft leathers. I really do. Like, I love Togo. I love country. So the only gold that was offered on the site for Bustiers was in Epsom leather. So I thought I would get this and see. It is really close to the color gold. It's a little bit more of kind of a yellow undertone, whereas gold has more of that kind of warm, like it's a lot warmer, deep kind of orange. But the cool thing about this bustier is not only I love the grain of the leather, because I prefer soft, deeper grained leathers, is that it's a two-tone. So yeah, the mauve Sylvester is in the lining. Ooh, look at that. So you get a little peek through of this like purpley pink color that they've got as the mauve on their line. And honestly, the items in this Sylvester mauve are so beautiful. They really, really are. There was a Calvi card holder. I don't know if it's still on the Australian website, but there was a Calvi card holder, which is the bigger one that was in this Sylvester. It was stunning. And I love the format of this coin purse. It's so great. So you add your coins and then you shut it. But then when you open them, it's almost like you don't really I hate coins, okay? I'm a germaphobe and I don't like them. I always donate them to a tip jar or to charity. But you can just slide it this way and they fall into the smaller part. So it's kind of like this little user-friendly coin case, I guess you would say. The only other coin purse I have is my porte-monnaie. All the other ones, if I had it, like, yes, you can use a clay, but it will end up chipping the actual clasp that goes inside a clay. That's much more for keys or like a card holder. So this is so specific for coins, and it's so compact and just so yummy, and I love the soft leathers so much. No one does leather like HERMES. No one. They are just the artisans in leather. Here was my proof of purchase receipt that was down in the bottom of the box. I will share prices because I do that here on my channel. It's helpful. So the bustier here in Australia comes in at 350 Australian dollars. There's no difference for the two-tone, it's just 350. Next one up, and these two were like a splurge for me. I wouldn't usually spend this much on these items. However, 2022, I am hoping to extend my HERMES journey, my HERMES purchasing journey, okay? That's kind of what I'm looking forward to in this 2022 is kind of putting an HERMES roadmap, shall we say, on my luxury purchases. That's an expensive roadmap. I wanted to grab this because I thought future purchases, if they happen, however they happen, I would love to have this too. But cute. Oh, it's a little safety. Oh, that's so cute. It's a little safety tag. This is not a children's toy. Well, listen, my children under 14 are not allowed in this room and there is a lock. Oh my god. It's even cuter in person. Stop. Stop. Oh my gosh, that is just so beautiful. So this officially is the orange bag charm in fur and gold. Is that orange and gold? Ouch. And this retails for 660 Australian dollars. Yes. As I said, it's not necessarily, it's a splurge for me. It's not necessarily what I do bag charm wise, because, you know, I've been down the bag charm road before with Vuitton and whatnot, and it doesn't stick with me. However, if my camera can pick this up, so you have the equestrian horse with the H, you've got the beautiful stitching around the side, you have the little brown handles. It's literally an Hermes shopping bag. It is so cute. So you have, and then you have, did they say gold? Right, so the bag is the orange, and the strap is gold. So that's their color gold. So let me get my bustier next to it to show you. Yeah, so you can see the bustier is a lot cooler and gold has a lot more of that deeper dark undertone. Can you get out? Can you get out of here? To be honest, I guess you'd naturally think you'd gravitate to put it on the orange. You would naturally think like matchy, but no, it just kind of, it doesn't have a pop. It looks amazing against the garden party, and that's rose pourpre. But next to this, so this is my Birkin 30 centimeter in the color Etoupe, and palladium silver hardware. Look at that. I think that's what's so lovely about this charm, is there's no hardware on it, so it doesn't sort of throw you like gold hardware, and you can just match it to any of your bags. Anyway, oh my gosh. Guys, it's beautiful. Okay, and lastly, let's wrap it up with this one. Again, a splurge, not necessarily something I would usually splurge on, as I said in the last one, because wow, in person these charms are so gorgeous. This is the Oran Sandal Nano bag charm in the color June Porcine Sable, so the neutral sable and noir. Okay, so I'm guessing this strap is the sable and the back of the sandal is the sable, and then this in the Epsom leather is the June, so it's that beautiful kind of soft yellow color. I've actually seen a pair of Oran sandals in this colorway and they were gorgeous. I picked mine up in white. They were so uncomfortable and I couldn't break them in, and I sold them to a subby. Hi Sally. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous, and she loves them. And then obviously the noir is the black, and the back of the sandal is this the cutest thing. Okay, this was a total splurge. This Oran sandal charm came in at 870 Australian dollars. Ouch, yeah, okay, that's high. Honestly, that's really high, but it's so gorgeous. See, now this is where you would put it on the Kelly, on the apricot, and it's got so much more of like a dynamic kind of little punch with the noir, the black outline of the sandal, and you can see, oh my gosh, they just, okay, it gives it a little pop. I've said before, I don't know if I'm a twilly girl. I just don't know if I am. Plus, this is one handle and I don't use this bag, and I most probably won't use this bag. I've said that before. I think it's just something that I want in my collection and can just sit because it is so gorgeous, and it was such an amazing opportunity to be offered this bag. I definitely know that with Epsom, I'm just far too, I don't find it malleable, and I don't want to pull and scrunch and open. I just don't want to do that. So that concludes my Hermes unboxing for today, my Hermes haul with you guys. I do hope you enjoyed that. I'm so happy to be back sitting down in here and filming with you guys. If you liked this video and was excited with me to see these items, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super appreciate that, guys. I hope everybody is staying safe and doing well. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.
Hand in hand, just like an egg. Our whole world is a garden. I've always dreamt